Sembut Menteri Rangba ubak kami yakatana transport ubak singau balang dhar haka pratrik jemang. Ula ong baka sorkar kan penya syakmat yaka projek lentirel harilum kasi jaintia. Tat lada yo yaka jing menjor lang na barok kikin hun badan benta. Kani kadeka sorkar upat ba gidangnya keren berkikin hun ki badan benta. Day nakata kadaw ka sorkar kam dan satya yaka jing temu banle da kabor. Ngijukun thup lang ya baro haka nu kan rai ong uba singau balang. Haba keren syakilat thai kubor haba keli halor ka jing temu penpoi lentirel harilum kasi jaintia. Ula ong ru baka all party committee bala thau haus nam baladam kandang beteng ban bishar ya kanikakam. Hoot la thau ya ka committee jom baro kiseng san pertei haus nam baladam. Kashimpor kala bandan kam shpau haduk katsan teliki jingalang namar ngidon kam ban kentup lang ya baro haba shim ya kanu kanu karai ula ong. Haba keli ya ka jing penslam haba yanu jor baka jing pediang ya ka projek lentirel harilum karo uba singau halang ula ong. Ki beriu jongi ki apher na kawai ka jaka syaka pan. Kumta don kam ban pensut hu ya baro ki trashnong. Day nakataka daw balay baka shimpor. Manla ka projek ki bathamay ki shimpor. Haba keli hatu ka sorkar kadang temu ban penroy syushu ikilintiral harilum garo ula ong ngin saya pen.
To negotiate with the stakeholder. Because you see, that's why this government is never bulldoze. We always take everybody on board. This is the people's government.
But like an all-party committee was also constituted last year.
Last year.
But that committee never
It
materialized.
takes times. Does not mean one thing will solve everything. It takes times, 2-3 meetings. We may go 10-15. What is the problem? Because we need to take everybody on board before doing anything. People is different from place to place, no? So that is the reason we have to make us awareness nicely, properly to all the local respected to their area. So that is the reason it takes time. Because everything new things, it takes time a little bit.
So more lines will come up in government.
Let's see as of now, as it is, let's see.